Diesel Lake Garage, we checking in, man. We about to go on a little baby junk adventure. Trailer empty now, but we got some couple truck motors we gotta load up, some pieces we gotta take in. I'm gonna check y'all in on the quesos. Let y'all see what we got going on today. Diesel Lake Garage, man. Look like we made it down here. It was a change of plans. We're not gonna take the motors anymore. What I gotta do, we get the tools ready. I'm getting ready to start taking these bolts out and pull the injectors out, pull this turbo up off of here and get on up the road. I'm gonna start cleaning some stuff up and, you know, doing a little work. Diesel Lake Garage type stuff, man. I'll check y'all in on this head unit and we about to start breaking this stuff down and busting it down. Web Garage, man, as y'all gonna see, plans kind of changed when we got down here on the grabbing stuff. I had to strip this, do that, and all kind of other stuff. But hey, we got it off, man.
Still gonna drop this aluminum.
We got it off. And then you junking the starter?
Nah, I'm taking them just going to sit on one.
Yeah, junk that. But we got it off, and that be the case. We're gonna, I'll get y'all checked in on the case. You need me to pull up a little bit more?
No, that's all right.
He about to throw this on his truck real quick, and then I'll pull up. I can pull it up for you.
I'll wait.
Okay.
He's gonna follow me.
Okay. Check your hand, man. You know, on demand. You seen? Look, watch how I carry the box.
Grab that, man.
Watch how I carry. Now he asked me to grab that. Bet. Charging.